One Piece, OP17, Japanese edition of the world's strongest heroes. We got 2-box random number 8 here in front of us. We got our pirates. Let's see how many times we are rolling the die. That is 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is the 5th and final time. Here is our order. Send Neil back to the table so I can get this thing printed. And we'll see what the next two are going to be holding in store for us. Come on, printer. Took it long enough. There's music. He's returned. He is returned. Into the lake? Yeah, the only lake we have out here is Lake Mead, and I'm pretty sure if I throw the printer, it's just gonna go thud and hit the bottom of the lake right now. That's how Lake Mead is. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. You feeling good? Said it killed you, but sometimes it's that rush. Makes you feel alive. Hi there, music. The water levels, wait, you might cause the water levels to go up. Yeah, honestly, a 1 printer might restore everything we've lost at Lake Mead. I'll be known as the hero. Now we got Shanks on the number 0 and 1 on the rare. Feel alive and it's still 85 out at night. Dude, it is, okay. It is 9 o'clock. It is still 100 degrees outside in Vegas. It is still 100. Sun's been down for however many hours, it's still 100. Now we got Shanks on the number 2 on the SR. Going out to Tres. One Piece has been pretty sick nasty, man. One of my favorite things to open, One Piece. There we got Ben Beckman on the number 7. There we got a rare on the number 5. It's funny, the text on that card, both in English and Japanese, is so long that they had to shrink the font. Number 8 on the Kaido leader, and then number 1 on the rare. Have I ever played Pokemon Insurgency? I don't think I've ever even heard of it. This is, I don't think I've heard of that. Now we got Kaido on the SR, number 3. Always need to double check. We're looking for the random Panda Mans that pop up. And there we've got number 4 on the rare. There's 0 featuring the good old Whitebeard. Look at that little Panda Man. Yeah, Japanese, it seems like it's not as frequent as the English. Maybe just about the same, since English is English is technically more cards. So I do think it's slightly harder to hit the Panda Man in Japanese. At least that's how it feels so far. Oh, then on the number 7. Good old Panda Man. There we got Newgate on the number 9 for the event. There's number 2 on the rare. Newgate on the leader on the number 1, and Ulti and Company on the 0 for the rare. One of the fan games. Oh my god, is it good? It's tough, but it's good. Yeah, I don't think I've heard of an Insurgency. Nico Robin on the number 7.
Whoa!
I love gold! Wasn't ready for the gold Don to pop up right there. And we got number 3 on the rare in the back. Gold Don. Snaking up. Wasn't expecting it. Will be random at the end. First spot will get the gold one. We do like the gold Dons. They have all the textured foil on them too. The raised gold through the center and then around the text, and even the text down here has the raised gold foiling. Very friggin' nice, yo. Very sick, very nasty. Number 7 on the rare. Hard to Pokemon pick on uranium. Uranium was fun, but they never finished it and refused it. I don't think I've even heard of uranium. You're saying all these things I haven't heard of before. Now we got number 9 on the rare. Oh, alt art. We got number 3. I'm actually gonna look over at my screen over here because I don't think I've met this character yet. So I'm unaware of their name. Number 3. You got a big old bone with schmeat on it. Let's see, I got the list right here. That is Lucky. Lucky. Oh, isn't it Lucky Roo in English? Again, that is number 3. That's going to Heath Fleming on the alt art there. Yamato on the rare and the number 4. There's number 8 on the rare. SR number 48, number 8. This one's going out to Higa. Is that Luffy again? It is. This Luffy. Ankle breaking Luffy is what this one is. Every set has the SRs that are ankle breakers. Luffy's definitely one of them in this set. Number 3, going out to Heath Fleming. Luffy on the leader on the number 9, and we have our rare also on the number 9 right behind. Last pack of the first box. We got the Rocks event on the number 5. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Excuse me. There we go. Thank you, Barrett. Thank you. And there we've got number 6 on the rare. There's a Lucky Rope. You can see the base versus the alt art right there. Number 3 on the rare. Shanks on the event rare, number 7. There we got our second Don. Get randomed at the end, and then number 4 on the Yamato. There we got Charlotte and Lin on the number 2 for the SR. This one going out to Trace. There's number 9 on the rare. Kaido on the leader, that's on the number 8, and there's the sweet 3 on the number 4. There's number 8. We got Newgate on the rare on the 0. Newgate in his youth. There's a secret rare on the number 9. Who's got it? That was going out to Higa with the secret. Higa's got a secret. I thought that was a Panda Man at first. Yasop on the number 1 for the SR, going out to Billy. And there's rocks on the event on the number 5. Newgate on the number 5 for the SR. That is Whitebeard going out to Higa. Shoot, man, I've been yapping so much. I've not been drinking water. I'm starting to feel it in my voice. There's number 1 on the rare. Leader of Newgate on the number 1, followed by Odin on the number 7. Ben Beckman on the number 7. Linlin's event rare on the number 5. Linlin on the leader. Big Mom on the number 9. And then number 1 on the rare in the back. No, what am I doing? What am I doing? Putting the wrong cards in the wrong places. There we go. There is Kaido on the number 2. Rare event featuring Newgate on the number 9. Final 4. There we have another ankle breaking SR. That one is number 8. Going out to Higa. There's rocks on the leader, number 9. And number 2 on the rare. Charlotte Pudded on the number 9 for the rare. Last pack. Come on. Last pack magic? Something crazy? Yeah! We got Ulti and Company on the number 0. On out the BIOS. I think I like the alt art leaders better in 16 over 17. They were heavily stylized in 16, and then 17 they're going back to kind of how the alt leaders have looked generally. Like the design on the 17 ones is how most of the set's alt leaders look. 16 they did a lot different. They did all kinds of different creative decisions on 16. I like the alt leaders in 16 a lot too. But like I said, just in general, I've got a soft spot for all the alt leaders. Here we go. We got number 8, number 5, 1, 2, 3, 8, 3. Number 2. We got the secret number 9. And our alt art here on the number 3. We've got our 2 Dawn there that we got a random. The first one is gold. We do love gold.
I love gold.
Let me get the list ready. There we go. On the die, it asks for 5. A lot of 5s today. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there is 5 times. Bam's getting the gold. And Heath getting the Dawn featuring Luffy. Folks, that was One Piece OP17 Japanese edition by the 2 box random number 8. We got 9 and 10 in the store, folks. I've said it before, I'll say it again. We only have this last case here of OP17. That's all we have in store.